Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing some intermediate tricks which is hard. So let's get right into it. So the first combo, it is the index the first combo, it is the index roll over, then the helix, orbit, then area. Okay, now let's learn the index roll over like this, helix. When you are doing the helix, make sure your hand grab like this and your hand here, and then like this, and this is a helix. Then the orbit, and then now the area. You can choose whatever area you want to use, like the basic area, ice pick area, or the horizontal area. Now, and this is the first combo. Now let's get into the second combo, which is harder. So which look like this, index roll over, then oh my god, index roll over, helix, orbit, basic tour, then another Y2K, then a orbit, then come up again, and then you do behind the 8 ball like this. And then after behind the 8 ball, you can do whatever you want for the closing, but I would prefer area like this. So that's about it for today's video. Make sure to like like and subscribe and follow. Subscribe for more videos. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys next time. Bye.